Hi guys, it's another slime reaction video. That's huge. It's like bubblegum.
Yeah, it's gross.
I know. This is the neon green slime again. It's really good. I got some in my hands.
Got it in my face.
Jacob's getting it all over his face.
And in my hair. No,
His hair is really crazy.
it's something.
1 like equals he'll fix his hair.
True story.
Oh my god. So please hit that like button.
At least 1 like.
If it gets to 10 likes, he'll fix his hair.
Hey, if anyone tells me to do it, I'll probably do it.
Comment down below if you want him to do it. I'm just gonna do it again. Bubblegum, 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 oh, wait, what? Wait, what? What have you done?
It looks like a weird organ.
It looks like a butt.
No.
It looks like a butt got smashed into the other cheek. Oh my gosh. You're gonna have to wash your hands after this.
Probably. Just to be safe.
Oh yeah, and here's all my stuffed animals. Yeah, the stuffed animals random video did not upload yet.
So many uploads.
Oh.
Smash that like button.
Yeah, smash the like button. And
Smash it.
And you'll see some of his drones.
Drones.
Yeah, he made 3. It's like a TV, kind of. This is what is the parts, I guess.
It's not really.
Not really.
You'll see the parts when they get here. It's pretty.
This is the remote part, though. Yeah.
For what? No, that's not the transmitter. No.
No.
Yeah, that's a something or other.
Just something really. That's your whole reaction of it. Is this like what you're gonna do?
Sounds gross.
My friend said that it sounded like a fart.
Kinda.
Well, I know exactly what sounds like a fart.
A fart.
No, I don't have it with me right now.
Well, Eli, are you hungry? How do you usually go about food and stuff?
I go about videos. Yeah. I eat my videos.
I'm just saying, have you eaten anything today?
I honestly don't know.
Are you hungry?
I haven't.
Are you hungry?
No.
What do you eat?
We'll say this after the video. Bye, guys.